how to actually read the semantic map in the prompt details section. So once we go to the prompt section, we choose one of the prompts and we click on it. Then we are introduced to the prompt detail page, and if we just simply scroll down, we will find this semantic map. Now, we can maybe get rid of URL, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and paragraph. This is how we can actually filter through them. And we can actually filter with different domains as well. We can see, okay, let's see, this one is pretty close. So aio.com.ai has a really close title to what our initial prompt is. The blue circle in the middle is our original prompt, and the closer we are to that blue circle, the higher chance we have to actually be cited on these AI pages. So we can see that, okay, for example, this specific one from AIO is actually being mentioned. So AIO, we're just going to leave that one standing. Let's get rid of the queries. So SEO for Facebook business page. This is the title that they used. And our main prompt is local business Facebook optimization. So very close in relative context. This is how you can actually identify if your page, for example, if you can find your own platform here, if you're being cited for this specific one, and let's say that ours is DigiSpot, and we can see that, okay, we are quite far away from the actual prompt. We can actually adjust the title of our page so that we're actually ranked closer to the prompt and we actually get cited for this specific prompt.